Welcome back, viewers. Today, we are going to show you the luxury home in Los Angeles of Hollywood's talented actor and singer Nick Jonas and Bollywood's gifted superstar Priyanka Chopra, who has proven her talent worldwide through her remarkable acting and unique abilities. The comforts and stunning features of this house will surely amaze you. Along with this, we will also reveal the secret of why Nick Jonas married an Indian girl who is 10 years older than him and comes from a completely different culture. Viewers, this is a secret that will surprise you so much that you won't be able to stop yourself from sharing your opinion in the comment box, so be sure to watch the video till the end. Friends, this video is made with real research and hard work, so please like the video and subscribe to the channel to encourage us to keep creating even better content. Now, let's move towards our video. Viewers, let us tell you that Nick Jonas's total net worth is estimated to be between $70 to $80 million USD. This includes earnings from his various businesses, music, acting, and brand deals. Nick Jonas and his wife Priyanka Chopra own a luxury home in Encino, Los Angeles, valued at around $20 million. Nick Jonas also owns a collection of expensive cars, including Ford Mustang Shelby GT 500, Chevrolet Camaro, Mercedes-Benz SUV. In addition, Nick Jonas earns from multiple sources, such as music career, Jonas Brothers, Hollywood films and TV shows, brand endorsements, producer projects. Nick Jonas is not just a singer, but also a smart businessman. Through music, films, and brand deals, he built a fortune of millions of dollars at a young age.
Now, let's move toward Nick Jonas's luxury house. This home is worth approximately $20 million, and seeing its size and facilities, you won't believe a house can offer this much luxury and comfort. Every room, every corner, and every feature of the house has been specially designed to create an extraordinary, dreamlike living experience. Friends, when you enter through the grand main gate, the first thing you notice is a wide pathway lined with greenery, colorful flowers, and small water features. This view warmly welcomes every guest and creates a peaceful feeling. Trees and shrubs along the path provide privacy and enhance the beauty of the surroundings. Altogether, it feels like stepping into a dream. As you step inside, a massive hall appears with high ceiling and natural light flowing throughout the space. White and cream walls, along with elegant chandeliers, give the home a dreamy atmosphere. A large chandelier hangs in the hall, creating a soft, romantic glow in the evening. Plush carpets make the space cozy and warm, and the interior design is truly stunning. Viewers, this luxury house in Los Angeles is a perfect example of royal yet comfortable living. It features 7 large bedrooms, each beautifully decorated and spacious. Comfortable furniture, soft rugs, and charming balconies make every room special. The master bedroom features a king-size bed with breathtaking panoramic views of the hills and city. The rooms also include reading chairs and cozy corners where Priyanka and Nick can spend peaceful mornings and evenings together. But the true beauty of this home is not just comfort, it's the moments they share here.
The bathrooms are no less than a luxury spa. Each includes steam showers, rain showers, modern sinks, and heated floors. Soft, romantic lighting creates a deeply relaxing bathing experience, while backlit mirrors make the space bright and elegant. In the dining room, a long, beautiful dining table is surrounded by comfortable chairs, with a magnificent chandelier above that adds a royal touch. Family dinners and gatherings with friends become truly memorable here. The kitchen is fully modern, equipped with the latest appliances, marble countertops, a wine cooler, and a stylish breakfast nook. Cooking here is as enjoyable as dining. The house includes every form of entertainment and convenience: temperature-controlled wine room, surround sound home theater, indoor basketball court, comfortable lounge areas for family and guests. Every feature has been designed not just for beauty, but for full enjoyment and functionality. Outside in the backyard, there is a stunning infinity swimming pool that appears seamlessly connected to the scenic hills and city views. The patio lounge area features cushioned seating, umbrellas, and a fire pit that makes evenings even more charming. Outdoor dining has its own unique pleasure. There are also walking paths and garden seating areas, perfect for peaceful morning walks and calm evening moments. In the morning, soft sunlight fills every room with natural brightness. At night, when the infinity pool lights blend with the city lights, the entire house looks like a dream. Lanterns and fairy lights in the backyard create an incredibly romantic atmosphere. Here, grand dinner parties take place in the dining room, movie nights happen in the home theater, pool parties light up the backyard, and beautiful evenings are spent in the garden. Outdoor games and sports facilities ensure every moment is full of enjoyment. Viewers, this house is not just a residence, it is a complete lifestyle. Every room, every feature, and every romantic corner reflects how life can be lived with comfort, love, and warmth. This mansion tells a beautiful story not only of wealth, but also of love and family happiness. Now viewers, let's reveal why Nick Jonas married Priyanka Chopra despite their very different cultures. Some relationships are not decided by time, but by the heartbeat. The story of Nick Jonas and Priyanka Chopra is one such tale. There were distances, cultural differences, and an age gap. Yet the language of the heart proved strongest. This was not just a Bollywood-Hollywood marriage, but the union of two worlds. The first meeting. A simple message that became destiny.
The story began in 2016 when Nick Jonas sent a simple message on social media to Priyanka Chopra. What started as a respectful conversation slowly turned into a special bond. In 2017, they appeared together publicly for the first time at the Met Gala. Although they called themselves just friends, their connection was evident. Nick admired Priyanka's confidence, intelligence, and strong personality. In 2018, their relationship moved quickly. They met each other's families, received their blessings, and Nick proposed during a private trip to Greece. Priyanka said yes. Many questioned their quick decision and age gap, but for them, the reason was simple: certainty. They were sure about each other and didn't want to wait. In December 2018, they married in Jodhpur, India, celebrating both Hindu and Christian traditions. Their wedding beautifully blended two cultures. After marriage, they settled in the United States and continued supporting each other's careers. Later, they welcomed their daughter through surrogacy, beginning a new chapter as parents. The real reason behind their marriage was love, respect, and understanding. Nick found a true life partner, and Priyanka found someone who supported her strength. Their story proves that love has no boundaries of age, culture, or distance. So viewers, how did you like the video? Do share your opinion on Nick Jonas's decision to marry Priyanka Chopra. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.